Hello my dear kids, welcome back to your English class. Today we are going to continue with our topic articles. In our last class we have already learned how to use article a and an, isn't it? And did you practice at home, children? Yes? Then tell me, when do we use the article a? Yes, we use article a before a noun that begins with a consonant sound. What about article an? Yes, we use article an before a noun that begins with a vowel sound. So today we are going to learn the third article, that is the use of the article the. Okay, so we are going to learn the article the, how to use the article the before a word. So shall we start, children? Okay, you can take in your page 21 in English core worksheet, you can see the heading use of the, and I have given few examples including pictures so that it will be very easy to understand. And for the use of the, we have few rules. So we are going to learn one by one with the help of examples and pictures. So shall we start? Okay. So the first rule is, when we talk about a particular noun, okay, we use the when we talk about a particular noun. You will be knowing what are nouns, right? What are nouns? Yes, name of a person, place, animal or things are called nouns. So we can use the article the before a particular noun, and also we can use the article the nouns which are unique. Okay, so I am going to show you few examples. As you can see here, I have given the pictures of the sun, the moon, the earth, the principle. Okay, and I have given the article the in a highlighted color, red color, as you can see here. So why I am using the before the noun sun, before the noun moon, earth and principle is because these nouns are unique. They exist only one. About the principle, we are talking about a particular person, so we should write the article the before the word principle, before the noun principle. And here the sun, the moon, the earth, they are heavenly bodies, isn't it? And they exist only one. We have only one sun, moon and earth. So we are talking about a particular noun. We are pointing a particular noun. So we should write the article the before the particular noun. Okay. So for example, the sun is very hot. The sun is very hot. You should write the sun. Okay. The next word, the moon. Okay. The moon shines brightly. The moon shines brightly. Next one, earth. The earth is a planet. The earth is a planet. Next, the principal. The principal is talking to students. Principal is talking to students. So this is one of the rules. The first rule is we can use the article the before a particular noun, and those are unique. Okay, understood, children? Next, the next rule is we can use the article the with singular noun as well as plural noun. Okay, so we can see few examples with singular noun. The elephant. Okay, elephant is one. You can see here a picture of the elephant, isn't it? So the elephant. The next picture is the sky. Okay, the next one is the Taj Mahal. Okay, it's an animal, it's a thing and a place. Okay, so why we are using the before a singular noun elephant? Because we are talking about a particular animal here. We are talking about the animal elephant. So if we are talking about a particular noun, and if it is singular noun, we should write the article the before the noun. Okay, so the example, the elephant is a huge animal. Repeat, the elephant is a huge animal. Okay, the next, it's a picture of a sky. So why we are using the sky is, here we are talking about a particular thing, that is we are talking about sky. Okay, what you can see here? Yes, we can see the sky is blue. Okay, as you can see in the picture, we are talking about sky, not the sun. We are talking about the sky. So we should mention the sky by using the article the. The sky is blue. Okay, the next one, we are talking about a particular place. Okay, we are talking about Taj Mahal. Okay, so if we are talking about a particular noun, and we should use the before it. Okay, so the Taj Mahal is in Agra. Repeat, the Taj Mahal is in Agra. So the three examples showing that they are talking about a particular noun and which are singular. Okay, they are only one singular noun. Now, as we said, we can use article the before singular noun as well as plural noun. So we learned how to use the before a singular noun. Next we are going to learn how to use the before a plural noun. Okay, so here I have given few pictures which are plurals. Plural noun. What do you mean by plural? More than one. It can be more than one person, more than one place, animal or things. So as you can see here, I have given the picture of dogs. Okay, then ostriches. Next, kids. Okay, so the dogs bark. Okay, we are pointing a particular noun and we are talking about dogs. So if we are talking about a particular noun and if it is plural noun, we can use the article the, the. So the dogs bark. Okay, the next one is ostriches. We are talking about a particular animal, ostriches, about ostrich. So we should write the article the before the noun ostriches. The ostriches cannot fly. Okay, the ostriches cannot fly. Next, the kids. The kids are playing. What are the kids doing? The kids are playing. So as you can see here, we can use the article the before singular noun as well as plural noun. Okay children, that was the second rule. The third rule is we can use the if it is used to refer a whole group of nouns. Okay, whole group of nouns, and that too must be a singular noun. For example, the lion, the rose. Okay, the lion is the king of the forest. So we are talking about the lion. The lion is the king of the forest. That means we are talking about a whole group of lions. All the lions are the king of the forest. Okay, so we should write, what you should write? Should write the article the, the. The lion is the king of the forest. Okay, next, the rose. Okay, or we are talking about the whole group of roses, any rose. Okay, the rose is the sweetest of all flowers. So we are talking about the whole group, that is we are talking about roses. Okay, and if it is in singular noun, you can write the rose. Okay, the rose is the sweetest of all flowers. Okay, if we are writing lions, if it is plural, we cannot write article the before it. Only if it is singular noun, we can write article the. If it is lions, lions live in the forest. We cannot write the lions live in the forest. That is wrong, because we will use article the only if it is singular noun, and we cannot use with plural noun for the whole group. Okay, lions live in the forest. Okay, that is the correct one. The lion is the king of the forest. That is, we are using the only if it is a singular noun. Okay. Rose. Here, the rose is the sweetest of all flowers. Okay. We cannot write roses. The roses are the sweetest of all flowers. That is wrong. We should write the rose only in singular noun. If we are mentioning about a whole group, if it is a singular noun only, we should write article the. Okay. So, that was the third rule. The next is, as you can see here, we use the with some proper names. With some of the proper names, we can use article the. For example, we can use the before oceans. Okay, see the Pacific Ocean. As you can see here, Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. So, we can see Arctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, Pacific Ocean. We have few oceans given in this map, but we are talking about a particular ocean, that is Pacific Ocean, and then we should write article the before that noun, because we are talking about a particular ocean, that is Pacific Ocean. So, we should write the Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. Okay. Next, seas. Okay, the Red Sea, the Black Sea, we should write the Red Sea, the Black Sea. Okay. Next, directions, the north, the south, the east, the west. We should write article the before we use the directions. Next, newspapers. As you can see here, I have given the picture of the Times of India, right? Here, the Times of India is a popular English newspaper. As we know, we have different in different languages, different names of newspapers we have, and from that I am talking about a particular newspaper, that is I am talking about Times of India, the newspaper named Times of India. So, if I am talking about a particular noun, then you should write the article the. The Times of India is a popular English newspaper. Okay. Next is holy books like the Bible, the Quran, the Ramayana. We have to use before the holy books. When we are talking about holy books, we should write the article the. Next, rivers. Okay, like deserts. Here, desert, the Sahara Desert. I have given, we have so many deserts, and I am going to talk about a particular desert, that is Sahara Desert. So, if I am talking about a particular desert, what you should write? Yes, we should write the article the before it. So, the Sahara Desert is the largest hot desert in the world. So, these are few examples, and we can use article the before forest, seasons, monuments, mountain ranges too. Okay. Next, we use article the if it is the is used when we use the same noun for the second time. Okay, if we are talking about a particular noun for a second time, first you should write article a, but for the second time, if you are talking about the same noun, you should write article the. For example, you can see two children writing something in the classroom. So, first I am going to say what they are doing. We have a test. I have given we have a test. I am using article a here because here test beginning with T and it is a consonant sound. So, I have used article a before it. We have a test. Next, we want to do well in the test. So, I am talking about the test for the second time. Okay, here in the sentence you can see I am talking about the same test for the second time. So, when I am repeating about the same thing for the second time, when we are repeating, we have to use article the for the second time. We have a test. We want to do well in the test. when we repeat about the test for the second time, we should not use article a. Then second time we should use article the. Okay. Next example. There was a crow. Okay. You can see crow drinking water, something. Yes. So I am talking about that crow, particular crow. So I am using article a because crow is a noun and it is beginning with C, which is a consonant. So there was a crow. I use the article a because crow is a noun and it is beginning with the consonant letter C. I am going to talk about the same crow again, repeating again. So what you should write? We should write a or the. Yes, we should not write a. When we are talking about the same noun for the second time, we should write the. The crow was thirsty. The crow was thirsty. So the first sentence you can see we are using according to the sounds of the nouns. There was a crow. Okay, according to the letters, according to the consonant and vowel sound, we are using article a or an. Okay, here a crow means crow, C is a consonant. But when we are talking about the same noun repeating again for the second time, we should write article the. The crow was thirsty. So that was the next rule. Now, those were the 4 rules which you have to follow when we write article the. Now, things that we should know is few things are there which you should not use the. Okay, we should not use the with the following proper nouns. Okay, for example, names of continents, streets, sports and most countries. We should not use article the before a continent name, streets, sports and most countries. For example, I have given here, I live in India. Okay, that is one sentence. I live in the India. Can you tell me which is a correct sentence? I live in India or I live in the India? Which is the correct one? Yes, the first one, right? I live in India is the correct one. I live in the India, it is wrong. We should not write I live in the India. We should write I live in India. We should not use article the before a few countries. Okay. Next, I play football. I play the football. Which is the correct answer? I play football or I play the football? Yes, very good. The first sentence is the correct one. I play football is the correct sentence. I play the football, it is wrong. Okay. Next, names of lakes and mountains. We should not use article the before the names of lakes and mountains. For example, they climbed Mount Everest twice. They climbed the Mount Everest twice. So I have written here Mount Everest, it's the name of a mountain. Okay. So we should not use article the before the names of mountains and lakes. So which is the correct sentence here? They climbed Mount Everest twice or they climbed the Mount Everest twice. Which is the correct one, children? Yes, the first one is correct, second one is wrong, isn't it? Next, we should not use the with the names of days, months, languages and festivals. When we talk about days, months, languages and festivals, we should not use article the. For example, we are studying English. We are studying the English. Which is the correct one? English is a language. So we said we should not use article the before days, months, languages and festivals. So we are talking about a particular language that we are studying, English. So I have given 2 sentences. Can you tell me which is the correct sentence? We are studying English or we are studying the English. Which is the correct one? Yes, First one is the correct. Second one, we should not use the. We should not use the. Next, names of people. We should not use article the before the names of people. For example, Meera. Meera is a name of a person. Meera is a good girl. Meera is a good girl. The Meera is a good girl. Which is the correct one? Yes, the first one is the correct. Second one, we should not use article the before the name of a person. Okay, Meera is a good girl. That is a correct sentence. So, did you understand when to use article the and when we should not use article the, children? Yes? Very good. Now, you can take worksheet page 21. There you can see 5 sentences which you have to complete by using the correct articles a, an or the. Okay? Yes. So, tell me, Mohan is watching dash movie. Mohan is watching dash movie. Which is the correct article should be coming there? Mohan is watching dash movie. Movie beginning with M, isn't it? Is it a vowel sound or a consonant sound? Movie, M is coming beginning with a consonant. So, which article will come? Yes, you should write article A. A movie. Mohan is watching a movie. A movie. Next, this is dash beautiful dress. This is dash beautiful dress. So, here beautiful beginning with B, isn't it? Yes, and dress, it's also it is a noun and it is beginning with the article, it is beginning with a consonant sound D. Dress, it's a consonant. So, what will be the article coming there? This is a beautiful dress. Okay. Next, we use sweater in dash winter season. We use sweater in dash winter season. As we know, we have 4 seasons and I am talking about a particular season, that is, I am talking about winter season. So, if I am talking about a particular noun, which article should come there? Yes, the answer is the. Okay, we use sweater in the winter season. Okay. Next, there is dash umbrella in my bag. There is dash umbrella in my bag. Here, umbrella is a noun and is it beginning with a vowel sound or a consonant sound? It is beginning with the letter U. Is it a vowel or a consonant? It's a vowel. So, which article will come there? Yes, if it is a vowel sound, we should write article an. There is an umbrella in my bag. The last one, dash sky is blue. We have already mentioned in one of the examples today. So, we are talking about a particular thing, that is sky. Dash sky is blue. So, which article will come there? Yes, the. As it is beginning with beginning sentence, we should write the T capital. The sky is blue. Okay. So, these are the examples given in page 21. You can turn over the page 22. There you can see few more activities continuing with this from question number 6. Okay. So, page 22 is an activity for you. You should do it by yourself and your parents can help you, but I want my children to do it by yourself. Okay. So, will you do it, children? Yes. So, very good. So, you have to do page 22 as an homework, as your activity. Remember 3 things. Article A is used before a consonant sound. Article an is used before a vowel sound. The is used with few points, that is when we talk about a particular noun, when we are repeating for the second time, and when we use for specific things or unique things, okay, and can be used for singular as well as plural now. Okay, so remember these points and do page 22 by yourself. Okay children? Okay, thank you.